Hey there, curious minds. We walk around in these bodies every single day, eating, breathing, talking, scrolling through our phones. But here's the thing, you probably don't actually know what's going on inside you. The human body is full of surprises. Some fascinating, some a little disturbing, and some that will make you go, wait, that's real. Today, we're uncovering 10 weird secrets about your body you've probably never heard before. Stick around, I promise by the end, you'll look at yourself in a whole new way. 1. Your bones glow in the dark. Alright, you're not going to light up your bedroom like a Halloween decoration, but under ultraviolet light, your bones actually give off a bluish-green glow. This happens because of certain minerals in your bones, like calcium and phosphorus, reacting to UV light. Forensic scientists sometimes use this fact in crime scene investigations when looking at skeletal remains. Creepy maybe, cool, definitely. So technically you're carrying around a glow-in-the-dark skeleton right now. 2. Your stomach is basically a self-repairing machine. Your stomach acid is seriously strong. So strong it can dissolve certain metals like zinc. If it weren't for your stomach constantly rebuilding itself, you'd literally digest your own insides. Every 3 to 4 days, your stomach replaces its lining, like a construction crew that never takes a break. Fun fact, this is also why spicy food doesn't actually burn your stomach. The lining is built to handle extreme conditions. It's your mouth and throat that complain. 3. Your heart can beat outside your body. Here's something out of a sci-fi movie. Your heart doesn't need your brain to tell it what to do. It has its own electrical system that keeps it beating automatically. That's why, in certain medical conditions or during transplants, a heart can keep beating for a short time even when it's outside the body. It's a bit unsettling, but also kind of amazing. Your heart is basically an independent overachiever, for you're more bacteria than human. By cell count, you are actually more bacteria than human. For every human cell in your body, there are about 10 microbial cells living in or on you. Don't freak out, most of them are your friends. They help digest food, protect you from bad bacteria, and even influence your mood. Some scientists believe this microbiome is so important that future medicine will treat diseases by changing the bacteria in your gut instead of just giving you pills. So yeah, your tiny roommates are kind of a big deal. 5. You can live without a lot of your organs. It sounds impossible, but you could survive without a stomach, 1 kidney, 1 lung, your spleen, 75% of your liver, and up to 80% of your intestines. Of course, it's not exactly an ideal lifestyle, but it shows just how adaptable the human body really is. During World War II, there were documented cases of soldiers surviving extreme injuries with most of their internal organs damaged. Proof that the human body is a fighter. 6. You have a second brain in your gut. Your digestive system contains over 100 million neurons, more than in your spinal cord. This second brain, called the enteric nervous system, controls digestion and communicates with your actual brain through the vagus nerve. Ever get butterflies in your stomach before a big event? That's your second brain reacting to stress. Scientists are even studying how this gut-brain connection affects mental health. So next time you feel anxious, your stomach might be the one calling the shots. 7. Your bones are stronger than steel. Ounce for ounce, human bone is about 5 times stronger than steel. The femur, your thigh bone, can withstand hundreds of kilograms of pressure, and unlike steel, bone can heal itself after damage. In fact, some scientists are trying to replicate bone structure to create stronger self-repairing building materials. Imagine skyscrapers that heal themselves like your leg does. 8. You're constantly shedding like a lot every single day. You lose about 500 million skin cells, dust on your bookshelf. Yeah, a lot of it is you. In 1 year you shed enough skin to fill a small bag of flour. Don't feel bad. It's part of your body's way of keeping your outer layer healthy. Plus, you're basically leaving microscopic confetti everywhere you go. 9. You've got gold in your blood. You're not just priceless to your friends and family. You're literally worth something on a chemical level. Trace amounts of gold are found in human blood, about 0.2 milligrams in the average adult. That's not enough to make jewelry, but still, it's wild to think you're walking around with precious metal inside you. Gold plays a role in maintaining your joints and nerve health, though scientists are still studying exactly why our bodies have it. 10. You glow but can't see it. Humans produce a very faint natural light, thanks to chemical reactions inside our cells. This bioluminescence is about 1,000 times weaker than our eyes can detect. Special cameras have captured images of people glowing more at certain times of day, with peaks in the late afternoon. So yes, you're glowing right now, invisible to the naked eye, but still there. Closing thoughts. Your body is basically a biological miracle, part machine, part mystery, and full of hidden talents. From a glowing skeleton to a second brain in your gut, it's clear that we've only scratched the surface of what our bodies can do. If you enjoyed this dive into the weird world of human biology, hit that like button, share this video with someone who thinks they know everything about their own body, and subscribe to Curious Mind for more strange, fascinating, and slightly unsettling truths about the world around you, and the one inside you. Because, remember, curiosity doesn't just expand your mind, sometimes it reveals the secrets you've been carrying all along.